The lines were like stretching all the way. Remember? No gas. So
No
yeah,
gas, no
it was
water,
very
no
bad.
electric.
The Labok River, the boat that we are planning to go on a cruise was all upside down in the river. Upside down.
Yeah,
So we
that
cannot use
really
it.
sad. And the thing that make me more sad is there's also a lot of people died on well, Lubok River.
We saw there was so much water in people's houses. They had all their belongings outside when the typhoon was over. All their belongings were outside on the street to dry.
Yeah.
Yes, and it was like they said the water reached up to the second level, I think, the second story house, right? The second floor. I mean, it's that bad. But we saw a lot of trees on the road. The roads were shut down for a couple of days. It
Yeah.
was bad. But everything is back again. I mean, people over here are so resilient. A lot of
Yeah.
patience. People,
I'm happy that this is starting.
yeah.
They already moving on. Like they survive. Everything is open now, and I can see a lot of Koreans right now.
Yeah,
it's
a lot of
been
yeah. There's a lot of
it's
people here though.
all the hotel is booked.
Yes, there's a lot of people here on this island over here. So we cannot say that this isn't the Boracay is better or what. It's like I've been to Boracay 4 times. She's been there 3 times. So
Yeah.
obviously, same other people. If they already been to Boracay, they want to try another island, another beach. So it's okay, yes. But if you're really into nightlife, you want drinking and partying and live music, live band, then personally I think Boracay.
Yeah.
Then it's Boracay. The price compared, probably the same. Probably when it comes to hotels and food, probably maybe a little bit more here or there, depends. But because it's very commercialized, Boracay is very commercialized. There used to be a lot of Chinese tourists before, but now the government over here is kind of clamping on the pogos. So I heard a lot of the Chinese are not, they're not coming as much as they were coming in drones before. So, but otherwise, yeah.
Yeah, it's
I mean,
nice.
they're both nice places. There's a lot of people here, by the way. A lot of hotels are, because we only staying 3 nights in this hotel and we planning 3 nights in another hotel. I could not get a place in a decent hotel for Sunday, right?
Yeah.
For Sunday.
It's all fully booked.
All fully booked.
Every hotel that we check, they all fully booked.
And then Monday again, because a lot of people come here for the weekend and then they leave on Sunday. So Monday, Tuesday again is available.
Yeah.
So yes. It's just that we don't notice too much of nightlife on the beach alone. Maybe on the inside somewhere else they have those places with. Okay. But check it out, baby. Check it out what he says. Huh? Maybe I only ordered one beer.
Ayun na, nagkuha migman eh.
Huh?
No, nami peanuts.
What? Whatever.
Didn't put the peanuts.
Oh. That's another 60 pesos. Then?
Yeah, but it's just 3 something, yeah.
Oh.
Just 3 something. If I'm kind of this, it's just a
Maybe they will later they'll know, like when we walk.
You get a chance to them.
Oh yeah.
You guys have fun and drink for me. Okay, Jay.
Actually, we're done drinking.
Yeah.
Done. But now we are done.
And we are going to we're just gonna buy food for our dinner. We're just gonna do
So how much is this now? Well, she can bring the change. That's fine.
389.
Oh, okay.
Thanks, Jay, and good night also.
We're just gonna walk around at the beach, check some other stores, see what's in the neighborhood.
Yeah, we're going to buy pizza for our dinner. Just take out and we'll take to our hotel and we're just gonna chill in the pool.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna do live again later.
Yeah. In this hotel, there's no television.
No
We have
TV,
no
no
TV.
band, just music. So yeah, and it's very quiet.
Yeah.
Alright, so guys,
Very
thank you
quiet.
so much for watching. And see you another one. Bye guys.